Hey, me again. Move a little bit more. Almost there. Hi, it's your fave, Fran. Oh, look, magic, nostalgia, and wonder. So many things as to why this place means a lot to me, and hopefully to you too. We tend to be distracted by the outside world, but once you're here, you are home. Everyone always wonders why I am here every day. Well, because it makes me happy. Look at it this way. Think about your favorite person in the whole entire world and how you can't wait to see them and be with them. And once you do, you're suddenly filled with so much happiness. Now, that person for you is definitely Disneyland for me. Here's to hoping that one day that you find joy in something that you can explain like this. I hope you have such a wonderful day and remember to always love yourself. See you later.